Good morning. It's 6 a.m. I don't usually wake up this early in the morning, but today I'm gonna go for a run. But before the run, the best thing of my life, like the best thing of my day, is watching the sunrise. The view is amazing. The sunrise and the sunsets in Dubai, there's something magical because I have been to Australia, but nothing can beat the sunrise and sunsets in Dubai. So I'm gonna grab my cup of coffee and we both are gonna watch the sunrise together. It's actually not a good day for the sunrise because the humidity level is insane. Like the camera is fogging up. So yeah, really not a good day for the sunrise. Yep, done with the run. Did a 3.3k run. So it was actually supposed to be a rest day for me, recovery day. But I did a 5k run yesterday. Today I felt like running early in the morning. I woke up early because I landed in Dubai from Australia 3 days ago. Still trying to fix my sleep schedule. I woke up at 5 a.m. Like, I'm just gonna go for a run. Yeah, I'm sweaty as fuck. I need to take a shower. But I like sweating. Like when you work out, when I used to work out in Australia, I never used to sweat. But in this heat, you sweat. And I think it releases more endorphins. I don't know if it's scientifically proven or not. But I feel much better after sweating a lot.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Ball. I came back home and now it's walk with the dog time, and this is actually the best time of the day because I got my morning sunlight in today because of the run, but on normal days when I don't go for a run, it's like normal gym days, this is actually the perfect reason for me to get out of the house, get some morning sunlight in. The best thing you can do, the easiest thing you can do for your health and mental sanity, especially as a trader, even if you have a green or red day or whatever, get some morning sunlight in. Like you will realize that it's just a part of the day, right? Your trading is just part of your life. And if you get some morning sunlight in, it just sets up the circadian rhythm and everything. Andrew Huberman talks a lot about it. So yeah, big believer of that. And taking my dog for a walk is the perfect reason to get some morning sunlight. I was having my coffee, but then I was able to reserve the iPhone 16 Pro. I have been trying to do it on the app for the past few days. I haven't been able to do it because it just goes out of stock. But then I was able to do it at 9 a.m. I don't know how that worked out because usually they open the reservations at 6 a.m. in Dubai. It's a different thing in Dubai. But yeah, at 9 a.m. I was able to do it. iPhone 16 Pro, black titanium, 512 GB. So yeah, just gonna go to the Dubai Mall to pick that thing up. Then go home and take a shower because I feel like after that sweat, I need to take a shower. And guys, honestly, Dubai Mall is the most overrated place of Dubai. I have been here for 2.5 years now, more than 2 years. This is maybe the third or fourth time I'm visiting this place. Like I don't know, the mall, like if you want to buy something, Dubai Mall is not the mall to go because everything is so complicated here. But if you just want to roam around, have a good time, they have ice rink here and everything. So for that, it's a good place. And especially during the tourist months, November, December, it's more of a tourist spot than an actual mall. So if you want to buy something, don't come here. Yep. There is the Apple store right there. So I got my iPhone 16 Pro. This is the Apple store and they have a good outside sitting area with this view. Amazing. This is the first time I have visited this Apple store in Dubai, but the view from here, it's amazing. Dubai Fountain is right there. I think this is the Dubai Fountain. Again, I don't know. I don't visit Dubai Mall often. But yeah, amazing view from here. Time to go home now.
Yep, back home, let's unbox it together. 16 Pro, 512 gigs. I'm not a tech YouTuber, but I like tech. But yeah, recently it's all been the same, honestly. That's why I used to upgrade every year, every 2 years. But these days, I mean, for the past 2 or 3 iPhones, it was 1 year. I had the 10, then I had the 12 Pro Max, then I had the 13 Pro, just because I gave my 12 Pro Max to my mom. And then after 13 Pro, this is the 16 Pro. So yeah, the cycle has shifted from 1 or 2 years to 3 or 4 years. And yeah, here you go. Looks awesome, but looks the same. Looks the same, right? So I'm gonna set this up now. It's gonna take me a while. I have the iCloud backup and everything, so I'm just gonna set this up and leave it for 3 or 4 hours. And by the time it's 12:30 p.m. now, so by the time trading starts, this should be ready to go. It's been about 1 hour now. It shows 1 minute left. Estimated time 1 minute remaining, about 1 minute. And if you guys saw my last video, day in the life in Australia, same thing. Peanut butter toast with black coffee. Still haven't taken a shower because I just got to some work. This is my meal, like my first meal of the day. This is it. Like, this is a healthy snack for me. It's not a meal, it's a healthy snack, and I love it. I love it. Like, even if you give me burgers or whatever, I'm gonna prefer this because I have been having almost the same thing, like this thing, for the past 7-8 years, and I crave it every single morning. It's actually 1 p.m. now, so 1:15, and yesterday night I stopped eating around 7 p.m., 8 p.m. actually. So yeah, I do intermittent fasting. On my gym days, I get my first meal in around 10 or 11 a.m. so that I can go to the gym around 12. I like to have something in my body before working out. And yes, I have tried working out fasted as well. I mean, it's good, but I prefer working out with something in me. Not like a huge meal, but a light snack, and this is perfect for it. I know, yes, fats take a lot of time to digest and everything, but I love it. Yep, took a nice relaxing shower, and now I am in front of my desk, in front of my trading setup, so that I can start my journal and look at my trades from yesterday, the mistakes I made, the good things I did. So yeah, here's my setup, trading view. It's 9:20 a.m. We just got done with the pre-market webinar with the Discord group. So today, specifically, we are watching NVDA for upside, like a few other stocks as well. But yeah, just before the pre-market webinar, I was actually on my iPad. I was going through my journal for the month of September. Again, I did that in the morning, did that again in the evening before the market opens up. And actually, like you guys can see, I have every single day except a few days in September, because if you guys saw my last video, day in the life of a day trader in Australia, I was in Australia for 2 weeks, and again, trading there, it's at like 11:30 p.m. at the moment. It's gonna get worse after 2 months because of daylight savings. It's gonna be 1:30 a.m., which is really bad, right? So a lot of days I was like battered after shopping and a lot of stuff in Australia. After like 13,000 steps in a day, you have to trade at night, so I couldn't be bothered journaling. And that's why I feel like Dubai is much better for me. I don't know about every single trader out there, but for me, I'm a morning person. If the sun is up, I'm up. I can go to bed at 4 a.m., but if the sun is up at 6 a.m., I'm going to be awake around 6, 7 a.m. So that's how my body works. I just wake up in the morning automatically. I can't sleep in the morning. A lot of people can easily sleep in the morning. A lot of people do night shifts. So the other day I had a chat with my hairstylist, my barber, and he also mentioned that he goes to bed around 3 a.m. He wakes up at 11 a.m. approximately, and then he comes to work at 1. I can't do that. A lot of people can do that. I can't do that. So for me, Dubai is a better place if I want to day trade and give it my all when I'm actually trading. So yeah, the market is about to open in the next 7 minutes. I'm going to see you guys after the trading session. So I just got done trading, guys, and it was an awesome day, one and done kind of day. It's gonna be a quick recap. So had NVIDIA on the watch list. My first entry was right here. This is exactly what we discussed in the pre-market game plan, because this was the level that was holding in the pre-market. This dotted line was the yesterday's high. I entered my position right on this drop. Then I added to my position right here, got this push towards the upside, overall making $5,500 within the first 9:30 to 9:49, 20 minutes of the market open. You guys can see all my entries and exits, live account, no red bar at the top. So yeah, live account, day trading is possible. Making $5,500 literally in my shorts, sitting in front of my desk, trading setup. which is what day trading gives you. It gives you freedom, and I love it. I love every single second of it. If this is not enough motivation for you guys, I don't know what is. Like, this is live in front of you. This is what happened. Yes, do I lose money? Yes, I lose money. Like, it's the part of trading, but the only goal as a trader is to make more money than the money you lose. And this month, I think I had like 2 red days and maybe 1 red day, most likely 1 red day. And out of that, I think I had like 12 or 13 green days, right? On a lot of other months as well, I have green days equal to red days, or maybe 3-2 ratio, 3-1 ratio, whatever that is. But the only goal should be that your red days need to be controlled. You should not revenge trade, over trade. I'm guilty of doing it. We all are guilty of doing it, but it just reduces, and the impact it has on your trading reduces as you get more experience. So what I mean is that as a beginner trader, after a big red day, it used to affect me for the next few weeks. But now if I have a big red day, I'm like, okay, part of the game. I have had plenty of big red days in my career. It's very easy for me to move on, instead of me taking 2 or 3 weeks to move on from that red day and then missing out on a lot of good opportunities for the next few weeks. These days, I bounce back up. It might take me a day, 2 days, 3 days, maximum a week. I just keep my life outside of trading in check. So I try my best to not to let trading affect my life outside of trading. So if I want to buy something, if I want to go out, if I want to have a vacation or something, it's not like if I had a red day, I'm not going to do it. No, don't let trading dictate your life outside of trading. You need to have a very good life outside of trading, and trading is just part of your life. It's not your life, it's part of your life. So as I showed you, I started at 9 a.m. I'm done by 10 a.m. So it's actually 6 p.m. Dubai time. So I'm going to have my last meal of the day in the next 1 or 2 hours. That's pretty much it. So I stop eating around 8 p.m. and then I have my first meal in the morning around 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. Sometimes 2 or 3 p.m. depends, but minimum I do like 14 hours of intermittent fasting. Sometimes it's 16 hours, sometimes it's 18 hours. But the main thing for me to be healthy is to not to have like binge eating nights, to nighttime snacks. It was really bad. I used to have nighttime snacks every day, especially because in Australia you trade at night, and after a red day or a green day, you feel like snacking at night, especially it's cold there as well. So your body craves for more food, and especially trading at night, being awake until 2 or 3 a.m. I used to snack a lot at night in Australia, and I have lost 7 kgs after moving to Dubai without even trying, like just because I have reduced my nighttime snacking. So pro tip for you guys. So yeah, that is it for the day. I'm off my setup. I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna watch some TV now. I'm gonna watch a show on Apple TV, Ted Lasso, which I'm watching for the 5th time. Guilty pleasure. As I mentioned, gonna have my last meal of the day, go to bed. That is pretty much it. Like a boring day, but it works. I love it. I love boring. Boring is nice. Yes, I have my vacations once in a while, twice or thrice in a year. Apart from that, majority of the days, 300 days a year, I like to keep it simple. This is what I love. This is what I like. Yes, I need my time off, which I take. But apart from that, I love every single minute of my day because I have created my day around what I love doing. So before you go, the color is changing because of the TV. Yeah, so like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.